Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing our monthly check-in to see how much I have progressed, and hopefully I can get my sub 20 average. So I'm gonna just be honest with you guys, I haven't been practicing much for the past month because I went on a trip to Japan for about a week and a half. So yeah, that's why. But yeah, after my trip to Japan, I only did one practice session. So I went to Japan it was like in the middle of November. I just got back this week. I just did my first practice session on the 26th, which was yesterday. Today is the 27th. I did two averages of 12s. But yeah, for the first one, I just casually get a sub 20 average of 12 for some reason. This was after vacation in which I have not practiced for over a week and a half and somehow just casually get a sub 20 average of 12, which is insane. Like, normally for me, getting a sub 20 average of 12, it's like very, very rare, very unlikely. 9 times out of 10, I do not get a sub 20 average. But yeah, for the second session, I did absolutely terrible. I got a 23.78 second average. Absolutely terrible for me. Usually for me, I average in the low, I would say, yeah, in like the 20-second range. Yeah, I'm actually pretty close to sub 20 average. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I have not warmed up at all. I'm a little bit tight on time because I have to drive back home for Thanksgiving tonight. So I have not done my warm-up yet. I'll just do this on camera. I'll just do a very, very quick warm-up. One slow solve, one fast solve, and then let's get started with this average. Man, am I nervous or what? I messed up a lot with that solve. Especially doing the cross, yeah, I messed up. Okay, now to do my fast solve. Alright. Okay. Okay guys, let's get started with the average. Can I just casually pull off a sub 20 average of 12? Let's find out. Deep breaths. Nice. Okay, that's the timer for my laundry. Okay. Let's fucking go! I hope I got this on camera, man. Hopefully the recording doesn't mess up, man. Frick. My heart, bro, is pounding. Boom, 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 boom. Just like how Luke Garrett recently got his sub-5 official, sub-5 average. I just got my first sub-20 average of 12 on camera. And yeah, just feel really happy. To be honest, I feel a little bit sad as well that the journey is over. But yeah, who knows? I might continue, making videos about my progress in the future. Yeah, kind of unexpected. Like I haven't practiced in like 2 weeks, and somehow my solves are actually better. So that is yeah, quite strange. But yeah, I'm very, very happy I got the sub average of 12, sub 20 average. I can't even speak right now. I'm just so excited. But yeah, very, very happy. Thank you guys for coming along on this journey of mine. And hope to see you guys in the future videos. Bye-bye.